We're going to go back in the Gospels today, back into Mark's Gospel. There are a lot of questions in Mark's Gospel, I think. But anyway, Mark chapter 8, verse 5 says, "How many loaves do you have?" Now, the disciples did not really believe they could help or feed anyone else because of what they did not have. Yet Jesus taught them to use what they had and yield it to Him to obtain supernatural results. It all started by them recognizing that they did have something they could use and give. Now, this represented a new way of thinking that was then to lead to a new way of behaving. God wants to give you new thoughts as well, which will lead to bold action on your part. Now, where's your focus? On what you have or what you don't have? Are you waiting to have more before you are generous with others? Now, in John chapter 6, verses 1 through 15, we have the story of Jesus feeding the 5,000. And you'll see when you go there how the disciples did not believe they had the resources to take care of the people, but Jesus showed them that they did. If they would just yield to God what they had, He would bless it and multiply it. So read John 6 on your own and see if you have been limiting your faith and not responding to needs around you. Then set your mind to use what you have to be a blessing to other people. That's it for today. Come on back tomorrow, and I think we'll find time to have another session around a Bible question.